Hello guys, in this video I want to share with you what to do if your Safari browser stopped working after you switch in some switches in experimental WebKit features in Safari browser. For example, you open your Safari settings, then go to the bottom and open advanced settings. Then you open these experimental features and accidentally turn on or turn off some of these dozens of switchers. And after that your Safari browser stopped working, page loading no more. And you can't do anything with it, because maybe you forget what switchers was switched and you can't understand what this switcher is about. So what to do? You can't remember. But I find solution. So I filmed this video. And now I put in this video 2 pages of screenshots. So now you can watch this video, maybe place it on pause and compare your settings, your experimental WebKit settings with this that you can see on these screenshots. This settings is working, so you need to compare your settings with these settings on screenshots, and if it's some differences, you need to change your switchers on your phone on Safari settings, like this one on screenshots. There is second page with screenshots, so you can just put video on pause and compare it. And after that, I think usually your browser will work again. In addition, you can watch this part of my video and place it on pause to see all of the settings. This one is filmed on iOS 15, but I think on higher version of iOS these settings will be the same. So that's all. Guys, thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you or helped you to solve your issue, please press like button, write some comments, or even subscribe to my channel, please. Great, thanks to you for watching.